You're already on the ground and shut up now.
You want to, I'm gonna pop this thing up. I don't know if this will be broken.
Unless we get a perfect scenario, it's going to be hard to do this how we are. But
What does it look like in there? Shithole.
yeah. Right there, baby. He's in our woods, I believe. I would probably get something with that gun. That's not very far. It's not very far. You should get your gun like somewhat pointed in the right directions here, buddy. Them gobbles.
He didn't call back that time.
No, he didn't. But he could just be walking, man. And he might just be Are you literally about to eat a bar right now?
Oh, it's just a piece. I'll put this a piece of
Yeah. Over here fucking eating snacks when we got one goblet.
I think that takes my mind. Sound like he's right there. Yeah.
I don't know if it's 120 yards out.
This way.
Straight out. Do you see where my camera's pointing?
Oh, way over here. No.
He's probably just gonna sit back there for a while, though.
That thing's awfully quiet.
What thing's quiet?
Your call.
Well, yeah, because I want to sound like I'm going away from him. I don't want to sound like I'm coming to him, because then he won't come.
Yeah, I don't see nothing. Oh, right there's one. Huh?
I said, okay, now I'm getting ready again. So I've lost him in
Right there. That was yesterday, the other day. At 10 o'clock.
I have lost him, just...
That was 2 days. He sounded like he went the other way now, don't it?
Could just be facing the other way. Them gobbles can be very misleading. But like, you know, I guess that bird that you have on camera was walking through water. Oh, yeah, right there, you see him just strutting.
Yep, I see him now. Yep.
He's coming. Yeah,
Out
I
there.
seen him good there, right there. Yes, got a Michigan turkey on film. Definitely looks like a full tail fan, so I'm gonna go ahead and say he's for sure Tom.
Yeah, I can see him. He's buffed up now. Yeah, I see him. Yep.
He's working back and forth.
Yeah.
100 yards out, just being stubborn.
He just flopped his wings.
Nope, that's another one with him. That ain't him. It's probably a hen. I believe that's the second one right there. He's pretty far to the right still. So just be vigilant about to the left or right of us, because we could have one come in silent. Yeah, that's him strutting, I think.
Ways out though.
I mean,
He's a lot further than he was.
looks like there might be two on this log.
Which log?
Or whatever the fuck I'm filming him on. I don't know what I'm filming him on. Oh no, it's... Huh? I bet you he's breeding her on the log. That's a hen in the tree. For sure.
That's a tom further out too, I think.
Okay, so we were right. They have hens with them.
I can see it's all puffed up right now.
She's just walking up that fucking tree, dude. Crazy shit you get to see in the turkey woods. What? Wonder why she jumped up there like that.
Because there's another one coming further out. A lot further out.
Maybe she heard it and wanted to jump up there and check it.
See if you...
But maybe even more. Yeah, there we go. I'm just trying.
It's 9:15. Usually about 9:15, 9:30 is when the action would happen out here.
Yeah,
He's all puffed up right now again.
oh yeah. We're strutting facing the other direction.
Well,
They're just spinning 360s over there. They put on the show, and usually the hens go to them. There comes a time in every hunter's morning you gotta figure out what you're gonna do. Are you gonna stay out all day, or are you gonna go in and get some food? I'm fucking starving. Hey.